Here at the Crosstalk Solutions YouTube channel, we're primarily known for networking and Wi-Fi related videos, but our main area of expertise is actually voice over IP phone systems. We have a team of VoIP experts who work with you to design, build, and support your phone system to ensure that not only do you have a fully functional PBX for your business, but also to make sure that you're getting the most out of your phones. Or in other words, we strive to build phone systems that work to increase the efficiency and productivity of your organization, and we take all the worry out of migrating from one phone system to another. All of our phone systems are based on the open source Asterisk PBX engine, which is one of the longest running and most successful open source projects in the world. Crosstalk PBX systems come in three flavors. We have on-premises PBX systems, hosted PBX systems, and our new cloud PBX offering. Full details can be found in the description below, as well as at crosstalksolutions.com. Our on-premises PBX systems are systems that come with phone system software installed onto bare metal servers, such as these Crosstalk PBX systems here. There are many different server options depending on what your company needs. Desktop or rack mount form factor? Do you need more powerful servers to handle hundreds of phones and concurrent calls? Or servers that come with built-in FXO and FXS ports for analog phone and phone line connectivity? All of these Crosstalk PBX systems have been tested to ensure full compatibility with open source PBX software and come with a 2-year standard factory warranty, which can also be extended to 5 years of total warranty coverage. Hosted PBX systems have most of the same features and functionality of our on-premises systems, but also provide the flexibility that comes from having a remotely hosted servers. These systems are perfect for organizations that have phones connecting in from various locations, satellite offices, or just have a large number of home users. During the installation process, we work with you to make sure that these hosted servers follow all best practices for both configuration and security, and we maintain your phone system on an ongoing basis with regular updates as well as multiple types of backups. Finally, we have our new Crosstalk Cloud PBX, which is coming very soon. The Cloud PBX is designed to compete with similar offerings from RingCentral, 8x8, or any of these other cloud PBX service providers, but with one major difference. The Crosstalk Cloud pricing model is not a complete and total ripoff like these other guys. All right, so we're getting very close to officially launching this product. If you'd like to get notified when we're out of beta, make sure you subscribe to Crosstalk Solutions here on YouTube or contact us at info@crosstalksolutions.com to get onto our mailing list. But ultimately, what you get with a Crosstalk PBX system is so much more than just the hardware. All right, we want your phone system to be an integral part of your daily business, not just a way to send and receive phone calls. We make the process of implementing or migrating to a new phone system as painless as possible, including working with you to come up with a best practice phone system call flow design. We also ensure Kerry's Law and Ray Baum Act E911 compliance, and we project manage the cutover to the new phone system as well as the phone number porting process. Once you have your new Crosstalk PBX system, you also get 30 days of post-deployment support services and can utilize us for ongoing support and maintenance of the PBX system beyond that 30 days with no ongoing maintenance contracts. So let's take a look at some of the Crosstalk PBX hardware, starting with these phones. So all of the Crosstalk phones feature a 2-year factory warranty, full color displays, and gigabit pass-through ports so that you can connect your PCs on the other end without having to have an extra network drop at that location. Each one of these phones can be powered by either a standard power adapter or by 802.3 AF PoE. And all of these phones are VPN capable for remote users. So first we have the Crosstalk 230. Now this is an excellent phone for users with basic needs, or for areas such as break rooms or warehouses that need a cost-effective phone but don't need all of the bells and whistles of the more advanced phone models. Next up, we have the Crosstalk 250, which features 8 programmable function keys and is perfect for most standard users' needs. For power users, we have the Crosstalk 270, which features 10 programmable function keys and can optionally be expanded with up to 6 of these Crosstalk 200 sidecars. So those are our 3 branded phone models, but we also have a vast array of additional devices for paging and intercom, cordless handsets, conference phones. I mean, you name it, and we've got some sort of solution for you. Now, just like the Crosstalk phones, our Crosstalk PBX servers also come with a 2-year factory warranty, which can be extended out to 5 years with the extended warranty option. They also come pre-installed with the latest FreePBX distro. Starting at the low end, we have the Crosstalk 715 and 716 server. Now this server is great for offices with up to 40 extensions. The server can handle about 10 concurrent calls, and these also have analog ports built in. So the 715 has one FXO and one FXS port, and the 716 has 2 FXO ports for analog POTS lines. Then we have the Crosstalk 710, and this is our most popular model. So it's got this really nice small desktop form factor, but it's powerful enough to handle up to 100 phones and 30 concurrent calls. Now the case itself is a heatsink, so there's no moving parts whatsoever, which greatly reduces the chance of failure. The 710 also has 4 onboard gigabit NICs to handle a wide range of network configurations. Next we have the Crosstalk 745, that's this one right down here. Now the Crosstalk 745 is a 1U rack mountable server capable of handling up to 150 extensions or 45 concurrent calls. This server can also be outfitted with up to 8 analog ports, and you can choose if those 8 ports are FXS ports for analog devices such as fax machines, or FXO ports, which allow you to terminate copper POTS lines as your main trunking option or as a backup analog connection to the public switch telephone network. Finally, we have the Crosstalk 760, that's this one right over here. This is also a 1U rack mountable server, but this one is capable of handling up to 500 phones and up to 100 concurrent calls. You can also buy 2 of any of these servers for redundancy and then set them up in a primary/warm spare configuration that keeps a second server synchronized in case the primary server ever fails. So whether you're just looking for some awesome Crosstalk recommended phones and servers, or if you're interested in a full turnkey PBX installation and cutover, please consider Crosstalk Solutions for your telephony needs. We are here to be your voice over IP partner and to take the worry out of your PBX project. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.